I founded Excel Roofing in 1993. I'm Jay Bretz, the CEO and founder. Since that time, Excel has served over 55,000 customers. Many of these jobs have been commercial jobs on businesses, restaurants, and industrial buildings. We install all types of steep slope of roofing, asphalt shingles, concrete tile, standing seam metal, and the plastic synthetics. Excel is also certified to install low slope on flat roofs. We know the right material to use on your building. If you have a restaurant, we are going to recommend a PVC roof that is highly resistant to grease and durable to foot traffic. If you have an industrial building, a white TPO will reduce the cooling cost during the summer. In the mountains, we've installed black EPDM rubber roofs to absorb as much heat as possible during the cold winter. A self-adhering modified bitumen with granules to match asphalt shingles can improve the look from windows above. Excel knows how to bid your job right, so there's no surprises at all when construction starts. We cut core samples to find out how many layers of roofing are present, and if the roof has ponding issues, a new tapered system will fix this problem. We use drone technology to determine if moisture is trapped under an existing roof, if applying a new roof over the old one is a potential option. Excel Roofing is a certified applicator by different manufacturers so that we can offer you not only the Excel workmanship warranty, but also a manufacturer's NDL, that no dollar limit extended warranty that may be part of your requirements. A class of low slope roofing products Excel will not install is roof coatings. Excel has installed a number of coatings over the years and found these products do not live up to the expectations put forth by their manufacturers. Because roof coatings are so expensive, Excel believes that a building owner would be much better served by using that money for a new roof that will last many years instead of a Band-Aid that'll only last a short time. Scheduling couldn't be easier. Give us a call or click on the calendar, choose a date and time that's best for you, or if you'd prefer, choose the email option and we'll send you the bid. Thanks for visiting our website and watching this video. We look forward to working with you on your project.